So this is our vertical edger. This is how you grease the collars on each side, on all the blades. Then you got to grease these shafts. I do it every break. These are full of, they have a brass bushing, and it's spiraled inside of there, so the grease will come out. And then there's a brass bushing in here. And then these arms have a chrome shaft, so they don't, normal steel will get pitted too fast. And then those are the main bearings, top and bottom. So here in our storage we have collars, the arms. So you can see the brass in there with the spiral. You gotta grease all these so they move freely. These arms, here's the chrome shafts. The blade goes on there. So this is how you grease the bearing. And then that's how you grease the shaft.